Time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. Attorney Molly Clark is in for Greg tonight, along with attorney Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks for being here.
Dave, you look like $1,000,000 today.
Thank you. You both do as well.
You know? Well, Molly makes us both look better.
That is true.
Let's face it.
For sure. Our question tonight, a tough one involving suicide. Jack in Plymouth says, if I think a friend that may be suicidal, what can I do to report him and try to get him help? What would you say to Jack?
I mean, this was a really sad situation. I actually did mental health work for 8 years, and what you want to do is you want to call the helpline. You want to call the helpline, you want to explain the situation, and they may actually, if this particular person has access to a handgun or they've done something to harm themselves or somebody else, then they may ask you to be a petitioner on what's called a 302, which means that it's an involuntary commitment. But it's a very delicate situation. I'm going to let Molly tell you about I mean, you want to use every resource possible, but try to get them as much help as they can. What else can they do, do you think?
Yeah, I mean, the only other thing I could think of is contacting their family physician, stay in touch with them, get their family members involved. I mean, there's no liability or any real legal issue here that I could think of, other than what Eddie said with respect to the 302. But I would just try to stay as involved as you can, get them the help they need, call their doctor, call their family members. Yeah,
just have as much documentation as you possibly can. And the 302 is really, I mean, you use it as a last resort. I mean, you are completely taking away this individual's rights. I mean, they are involuntarily committed to a psychiatric hospital for a period of up to 72 hours. It's really devastating, both on the individual and on family and friends. So do whatever you can to try to help them out.
A lot to consider. Results matter with attorneys Molly Clark and Ed Ciarimboli. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dave.
All right, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.